Now, we are less than 3 months away from Election Day. There's new poll numbers out this morning, just released overnight, showing Republican Larry Hogan with a strong lead over his Democratic challenger, Ben Jealous.
WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight is live in the newsroom to break down this new poll for us. And Megan, what would the results look like if the election were being held today?
Well, actually, according to the Gonzales Research Poll, incumbent Republican Governor Larry Hogan would easily defeat Democratic candidate Ben Jealous by a pretty decent-sized margin, again, if that election were held today. Governor Hogan has a 52% support statewide compared to Jealous's 36%. Now, Hogan has some pretty strong poll numbers in places like Baltimore County, Anne Arundel County, as well as Eastern and Western Maryland, while Jealous performs better in places like Baltimore City, as well as Montgomery and Prince George's County, as you can see here on this map. Now, of those surveyed, 64% gave a favorable rating to Hogan, 19% unfavorable for him. And then for Jealous, 31% gave him a favorable rating, while 33% gave him an unfavorable rating. The Gonzales Research Poll says Jealous will have to build quite a bit of momentum over the next month or so if he wants to become more of a competitive opponent in this race. Christian Ashley?